Today we're going to open the Italian Sardinian card deck. Hi, welcome to Playing Games. I'm Chris, and today we're going to unbox some playing cards. This video is a continuing look at the Italian regional card decks. Over the course of 16 short videos, I will be opening all of the Italian regional packs, and we'll go over what makes these unique masterpieces tick. Let's go. Today we're going to open the Italian Sardinian card deck. So this is one deck I've been looking forward to owning for some time. They're 100% Italy, and they're super. What makes these cards great is the artwork. The Sarde's deck art is so nostalgically beautiful. It's kind of like the Cuphead of card decks. It pushes the boundaries of beauty and function to the limit. Any more detail and it would be a novelty deck. It has just enough beauty to allow for gameplay. I'd say that this isn't just the most beautiful Italian card deck, but it's also the most beautiful Spanish deck. And speaking of Spanish, this is a Spanish suited deck. That means that the suits are coins, cups, swords, and bastone, which are clubs. All right, one question though, what's up with these king's shorts? Like, those are some short shorts, king. Sardinia is one of the few Italian regions I have yet to visit. Are short shorts a thing there? Let me know in the comments. So let's look at the ace of coins. Well, it's actually a coin, and that follows the Spanish style. In Spanish decks, the ace of coins is usually a sun or a coin. This is also the one and only Spanish suited deck that shows numbers on it. This is very useful for new players. The ace is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 6 is 6, the 7 is 7, 10, wait, what? 11, 12, what? All right, this is strange. The Fonte or Jack should be 8, the horse should be 9, and the king or Rey should be 10, but they're listed as 10, 11, 12. What's up with that? This is a strange vestige found in a lot of Spanish card decks. Way back, the Spaniards originally had a 48 card deck. They removed the 8s and 9s, making a 40 card deck so they could play Italian Primero, French Alute, and their own game, Ombre. For some reason, they kept the Jack, Horse, and King as the 10th, 11th, and 12th cards, and left the old numbers on it. It's baffling why they continue to carry this on. Just fix the numbers or let it go. Like most people who play Italian card games, I prefer the Spanish style decks over the other styles. The Spaniards were the first Europeans to print playing cards and were introduced to them from the OG Saracens. They rightly found the long suits of batons and scimitars to be too confusing and turned them into the straight swords and chunky clubs. They also made the coins gold instead of red, and the cups less like angular goblets. The southern Italians, along with some other regions, saw the advantage to this, and thus the Piacentine and Napolitane decks followed suit and rose to become the most popular card decks in Italy. Since Sardinia isn't a part of the mainland and no longer holds much influence, the Sarde deck has been relegated to its own turf, which is honestly a pity. This deck is fantastic. I highly recommend getting one for yourself. And I highly recommend the Sardinians fix the numbers and get their kings some capri pants. Information can be scarce when it comes to these regional decks, so if you're from the Sardinian region, or you know a lot about this deck, or if you know why the kings are skies out, thighs out, please share what you know in the comments and I'll do my best to help keep that knowledge alive. This is just one of Italy's many regional decks, and you can see all the others right here on Playing Games. Please comment, like, and subscribe to help keep this channel growing. Also help support the hard work that goes into these videos by digitally donating to this channel. You're great. Thank you.